Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up M1 Finance Automatic Investing Easy Tutorial step by step clearly. Open the M1 Finance app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Investing tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Create a new PI to set up your automatic investments. A PI is your investment portfolio. Select the stocks and ETFs you want to include in your PI. You can search for specific investments or browse categories. Adjust the percentage allocations for each investment according to your preference. After finalizing your selections, tap Save to create your PI. Next, go back to the Home tab. Find and select your newly created PI. Tap on Contribute to set up your automatic investment settings. Choose the amount you wish to invest regularly. Select the frequency of your investment, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You may also set a specific date for your automatic investments. After configuring these details, confirm your settings by tapping Save. Review your automatic investment plan to ensure everything is correct. Your M1 Finance account is now set up for automatic investing. You'll receive notifications about your investments as they're executed. Enjoy the convenience of automated investing with M1 Finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.